A young woman who gained national attention for battling the hiccups is now speaking out after starting another fight against first-degree murder charges. That's how many remember Jennifer Mee. In 2007, her uncontrollable spasms, or that's what she said they were, earned her the nickname Hiccup Girl. But her hiccups are mostly gone, and she's no longer a girl. The cops say the 19-year-old woman helped plan a robbery that turned into a murder. She sat down for a jailhouse interview with Fox 13 WTVT in Tampa. Trace Gallagher with the details on that. Hey, Trace.
You know, Shep, Jennifer Mee blames all the attention she gained as the hiccup girl for putting her on the wrong path, for getting her hooked up with the wrong crowd. She actually quoted as saying the path of the devil, but she says she is not a killer, though she does keep changing her story. She first told police that this whole murder thing was a love triangle gone bad and that she was not involved. Then she said it was only meant to be a robbery. Well, now she's back to the love triangle story. Here is her explanation. Listen.
I was being pressured. I was scared. I didn't know what story to stick with. I felt like maybe if I said different stories, that would maybe set me free.
Well, Jennifer Mee now says she realizes that jail is no joke and that she's too young to spend her life in prison. She also says that she won't make it in prison because she's too nice. Listen.
I'm too kind-hearted. People try to walk all over me. I'm just too sweet to... even being here is not the place for me. I'm too sweet. I don't know how to say no to certain things.
Jennifer Mee, by the way, is not accused of pulling the trigger, just as being an accomplice. But in Florida, it's the same penalty, and her trial, Shep, could be 2 years down the road.
Too sweet. Trace Gallagher, thanks very much.